Are you curious about which tool is better for your needs? Today, we're diving into Tana and Capacities. Both Tana and Capacities help you organize information and boost your productivity. They each have unique features that can make your work easier. But how do they really stack up against each other? Let's start with Tana. Tana is designed for those who love flexibility. It allows you to create a system that fits your style. You can connect ideas and manage tasks in a way that feels natural. It's great for brainstorming and keeping your thoughts organized. On the other hand, we have capacities. This tool focuses on collaboration and teamwork. It helps groups share information easily. You can create shared spaces and keep everyone on the same page. It's perfect for projects where communication is key. Now, let's look at the key differences. Tana is more about personal organization. It gives you freedom to customize. Capacities, however, is all about working together. It's structured for teams that need to collaborate effectively. When it comes to features, Tana shines with its flexibility and customization options. You can create your own workflows. Capacities offers strong collaboration tools like shared notes and task assignments. Both are powerful, but they serve different purposes. In terms of pricing, Tana usually offers a tiered plan, while Capacities often has options based on team size. So the cost might depend on what you need. In conclusion, if you work solo and want a flexible tool, Tana is a great choice. But if you are part of a team and need to collaborate, Capacities is likely the better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons